Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this amazing drink that is so good for our bodies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me start by sharing all the ingredients that we'll need today. And the first thing I have is kale, 1 apple, ginger. I love ginger as a spice. We'll also be using cilantro, cucumber, celery, and don't forget to wash all your fruits and vegetables. This is very important. We have to cleanse our vegetables and fruits carefully. And I'm just adding a little bit of sea salt to get off all the excess dirt of my veggies. So let's wash. And I wash my fruits and veggies about 3 times. As we know, cucumber is loaded with lots of antioxidant. It's very good for our skin. It's very hydrating and it's good for lost weight. And I'm just dicing my cucumbers because I'm making space for the other ingredients that I'll be adding to this drink. The next thing we want to add to that is my apple, and I'm using a green apple. I will also be removing the seeds from the apple. You don't have to, but I chose to. And apple helps to improve our skin texture. It provides vitamin C. It also is cholesterol free, sugar free, and helps to reduce fat as well. And I'm also dicing my apples because I do not have a huge blender. So I have to make space again for the other ingredients that I'll be adding. The next thing we're going to add to that is our ginger. And ginger is one of my favorite spice. I love it. I use ginger in almost everything. And ginger helps to clear our digestive system. It's also good for weight loss. It burns calories. It's good for the liver. And it also helps to maintain our blood sugar level. So ginger is amazing. Amazing. The next thing I'm adding to my blend is celery. And celery is packed with vitamin A, B, and C, along with other minerals. It's very alkalining for our guts. It helps detoxify our body as well. And this is also great for weight loss. Next, I am chopping my cilantro, and cilantro is a super green food. Cilantro is good for cleansing kidney, liver, and lymph nodes. It also helps to remove toxic metals from the body and boost your thyroid hormones. So cilantro is very good for your body. The next thing I want to talk about is our kale, and we know that kale is a dark green leafy veggie. It has lots of vitamins and minerals as well. Perfect for detoxing and eliminating harmful compounds from the body. And kale is also high in fiber. So I'm packing all those in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll be adding some water, and I'll be using bottled water. And also, in addition to that, I also want you guys to know that all my fruits and veggies, they are organic. So now I'm just blending all that together. And I want it to be super smooth. I don't want to have any lumps in my juice. So I'm blending that pretty smooth. Now I'm just going to strain that in a container. And after you have this drink, you will find improvement in your health overall. You will have improvement in your energy level. You will see improvement in your skin. And this drink is just amazing. I have this every day. Every single day. It's not too much. It's not too heavy. It's very good for your body. So I want you guys to try this and let me know in the description bar below what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.